Hey there, it's Ashley with Ashley B. Jewels, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August Bargain Bead Box subscription, and the theme for this month is Peach Sorbet. So let me unpackage this and I will be right back. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is these stainless steel marquise links. These are 18 by 8 millimeter. They're very, very pretty. Lay them out here. And this is a 4-piece. The next thing here is a 10 millimeter lamp work glass blossom beads in peach. Oh, those are so pretty. If you hear something snoring, it's my dogs. Very, very pretty. So this subscription is $29.99 a month, and this month's retail value of this shipment is $84.81. And you also get a list and the corresponding numbers with each one of the items you receive. That way you can refer back to it if you need to know where it came from, what it was. Okay, so the next thing here is 18 karat gold plated brass bead caps. And those are, I won't go ahead and take those out, but those are, oh yes I will. These are, they're 4 millimeters, and these are in the shape of flowers. Very cute. Whoops. So I had to find a quiet place in the house because we have the dryer going, the wash machine, you know, the everyday thing. This next item is strawberry quartz large chip beads, and this is on a 7.5 inch ring. That's what you get. You get 7.5 inches worth, and it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Next thing I have here is a 7.5 by 6 millimeter faceted glass rondelle beads in apricot gold in a gold wash, and there's 7.5 inches of this one as well. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Is a 22 millimeter peach moonstone and brass faceted drop. It's very, very pretty. I don't know if I can zoom see it. There we go. There we go. Much better. Rhodonite round beads, and this is 16 inches. Oh, these are very pretty too. Very pretty. And this is my first YouTube video that I'm going to try to upload. I'm hoping I get this one uploaded. So this next one is 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in peach shimmer. And this one is 13 inches of, oh wow. Look how it sparkles. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Very, very pretty. Thing I have here is a 10-piece 15 by 14 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads in olive ombre. Okay. Very, very cute. Oh, look at those. Those are so cute. this is my second box I've received from Bargain Bead Box. Subscription, you get a lot of beads and bindings and charms. You get a lot of great stuff from them for a great price. Okay, so this next thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's got tons of, oh my gosh, it's so pretty under all these lights. Okay, it's 8mm frosted glass synthetic moonstone beads in apricot, and it is 7.5 inches of beads. So watch this move. Watch when you move it. Look how pretty. It's very, very pretty. And this color theme is great for August and then moving into the fall season. Okay, let's see here. We have 3 to 4mm hessonite garnet faceted round beads in 7.5 inches. Oh, I really love this. It's my birthstone. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. We have 8mm peach quartz. These are dyed round beads. Oh my goodness, look how many comes on this one. This is my absolute favorite thing right here, is just to feel the beads in your hands. Love that. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. 5mm freshwater shell round beads, and this is 14.5 inches. See, this is, you have this, and then you have the handout that comes in the box, but it's on the package for each one. And it tells you the corresponding number, and this is good if you're just learning how to learn what all the different types of beads and things to make jewelry with, which is me. I'm still doing the learning process, but look how pretty those are. Very, very pretty. Oh wow, very pretty. Let's see here. Oh, and okay, let's go ahead and do the 1 meter 0.6 by 0.9 brass Coriana chain. Very pretty. Very pretty chain. There's 3 sets of these. It's a 10 by 7mm stainless steel lobster claw clasp. Lobster claw clasps are easier to deal with than usually the round one, but these are much easier to, and these are working good, so we'll check those. Those work good. This is a 4-piece 6 by 4mm 18-karat gold-plated brass tube bell beads. So these, I've been looking at these because these are what you can, like, if you have a charm you want to put on a bracelet or a necklace, you can connect it like this, and then your cord will run through this way, and you can connect it on this little hoop here, and those come in handy. And this one is strawberry quartz and brass panda. It's 27mm. This one's very pretty. Look at the detail on that. My camera doesn't want to focus. I apologize. My light's in the way. shining on it. I just now noticed that. So I don't know if it will focus, but it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's actually a little bit lighter than what the video is showing. These are cute. 6-piece, 6x14mm freshwater shell links. These are very cute. I like these a lot. So if you'll remember, a while ago, we opened up the freshwater shell round beads. They were 5mm. So if you remember, that's these, and those match and go together. So that's a plus there. A lot of things that matches. And that's the way each of these boxes each month, the theme of them is great. So this one is a 13x9mm agate peach charm with 18-karat gold-plated brass bell. And this is a peach. Look how cute. It is a peach. Set it down there, and it comes with its little link. I mean, it's jump ring. So cute. Very, very cute. So this is the free bonus gifts. Clamshell bead tips, and then you have your brass crimp beads. These are 2x1mm, and these are, I'll just pour a few out here in my hand. Okay, there's those. And these I'm probably going to make a mess here. Okay, set those right here. So this is the tips. These are, so what these do, and these have been probably one of the easiest things to learn how to use. So this would go onto your beading wire, and then the crimp tube, usually the tubes, I don't think I've used, no, I've not used the beads yet, but the crimp tube would go down in there, and you use your pliers, and you make it, you know, round or whatever shape you would like, because it's going to be closed up on it anyways, and that's what helps link your beading wire to your another jump ring or to one of the closures, such as oh, right here, your lobster clasp. Yes, links to that. So another good thing about the Bargain Bead Box is their YouTube channel. They do tutorials on there, and they showcase a lot of beads, new beads, and you can look them up on the Bead Box Bargains on YouTube. Lauren is on there, and she showcases a lot of things about the subscription boxes. And another thing is when you join the Bargain Bead Box, you will get a exclusive coupon code to use at their sister store, which is called Bead Box Bargains. And so that's another very neat thing that comes with this subscription. So, and here's one of the other things that, so you can do, you can show what you make when you receive your shipment. You can enter to win a $50 free gift card to Bead Box Bargains. And you can join their Facebook group. It's Bargain Bead Box Creative Corner, and share your photos there. And their YouTube, and Lauren. And then of course, you know, you get your list here. So I want to thank you all for watching my video, and if you want to see more unboxings and all things about jewelry making, and I'm going to try to upload videos as I can, and hopefully one every week, hopefully. So if you want to see more, subscribe, and if you liked what you've seen, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you later. Bye.